Sometimes my phone has a certain code that has been shared to it before it begins to view the cameras, and NVR also has its own code. So no one can break into the E2EE encryption. So security when it comes to pure IP is guaranteed. That means you can view your cameras over the internet and nothing will happen. Then some additional points is the resolution. When it comes to pure IP, it has a very high resolution. That's why the cameras are of high quality. Sometimes it begins from 1.3 or 2.0 megapixels. When you say megapixels, you're talking about million pixels. You understand? What is pixels? We'll discuss that. So when it comes to pure IP, you can have 5.0 megapixels. I think last time I had Hikvision, one of the major manufacturers of surveillance system, one of the majors in the world, Chinese-based company. They said they have a 30 megapixels cameras available now. 30 megapixels. How can you differentiate it? Just look at these numbers. What we're talking about CCTV, we said you have 704 by 480. If you multiply it, it's just 300,000 plus, right? But look at this small one, 5 MB